Hello everyone, this is Ashish Kumar, Assistant Professor at MIT Muzaffarpur. So now we are going to have the computation of rates uh, for different components of civil engineering works. So today we will be going with the computation of rate for the earthwork, and then we will be going for the PCC, and the next class we will see the plastering and then brickwork and all. So let's start. So we have already seen the analysis of rates by CPWD, and you might have remembered that we had different components for the same. So here we are trying to have the construction of embankment with the material obtained from roadway cutting. So you want to build the embankment, basically the embankment of a road uh, through the cutting from their sides. So by cutting this material you are trying to build this embankment. So the item says this is the one of the component, or maybe we called as a item. So item says construction of embankment construction of embankment with approved material deposited at site and obtained from roadway cuttings, and excavation from drain and foundation of other structure graded and compacted to meet the requirement of table 300 to 300.2 as per technical specification clause 301.5. What it says, we will be dealing the specification in other classes maybe. So basically as per technical specification, because it has some specification, based upon that we wanted to have the computation of the computation of the rate for these items. So we have considered the output of 100 cubic meter, and then unit is cubic meter, and how these components are coming for labor, how much labor is required, machinery and material, and then overall overhead and contractor profit is required. So we have seen the analysis of rate of CPWD. In similar manner, the standard data book, it is being published by uh, standard data book is being published by MORD, Ministry of Rural Development, is being published. Based upon that, it has been computed. I have not included it in soft copy just because it is not available in open source. So they are selling the whole book for MORD data book. So let's see the what are the component we have. So we have seen the labor, male mazdoor, unskilled you need, then machinery you need dozer of D50 for spreading at the rate of 100 cubic meter per hour. Then tractor mounted grader you need for grading the material at the rate of 100 cubic meter per hour is the output. And then water tanker, a 6 kilometer capacity, and then three wheel roller. You need 80 to 100 kilonewton static rollers. So how these components are being taken? This is taken based upon the previous practices what we have, earlier practices what we have. So based upon that, these components are coming, and there how much quantity is required for these component has been calculated scientifically based upon the work and and also the volumetrics of the thing. So you have material, then water overhead of contractor profits 12.5%, and So this multiplied by, you have the different rates. So these are the basic rates of the components. So you might have seen in the our schedule of analysis of rates earlier that you have basic rates. So these basic rates are being taken from the standard data book what we have, and these are the basic rates, and these are the quantity what we have, and these multiplied by, you are coming at the rate, and summing all, you are coming a rate of, for 100 cubic meter material, the rate is coming to 47.77, and then for 1 cubic meter, it is divided, your 100 cubic meter, it is coming 47.76. So for 1 cubic meter, the rate is 47.77. Let's see in the Excel sheet how we have calculated that. We will explain that thing. So this is your earthwork what we have. You have seen this labor, you have seen. So per day, and how these rates are being taken. So you might be seeing this, these are the rate of the basic material rate, it is coming from somewhere, and then machinery rates are being coming from the basic rates of, we have already kept in the our Excel sheet. And then water, it is coming from basic rate, so it is 40 for 12 kiloliter. Then compensation of earth, it is being taken from again rate. You can see the compensation of earthwork, how much is the rate. So it is being taken, and this is the lead also, it is being taken, the lead of the materials, means lead how much it will be for loading unloading, it will be required. So these all things are being taken. So you can see the basic rates of material has been derived here, and this is how we have kept in the your Excel sheet, and these all Excel sheet is being linked to that. So you can see the carriage by rail is also there. It is one of the carriage computation is there. For the site work, you have different carriage of the rail, from rail. So nearby stations we are finding, and we are trying to calculate the rate based upon those MORD data book. So these are the computation of the rates also. Then computation by carriage by road also you can see. So regarding, you can see the source up to Shekhpura, it is source in Patna, and then from there what is the difference of the site, it has been mentioned, and then it is coming the total carriage weight, carriage uh, total of carriage of the rate is also being included. Then carriage by role, then query maps are also being generated. So thank you everyone for